I started into genetics myself just over 10 years ago, actually while I was at the Salk Institute. The time had just come when it looked like we could actually begin to decipher the human genome. And so I've been involved the last 10 or 15 years in building a program to do that. And it is among the most fascinating things I could imagine doing, because it's like unfolding it's just a flower that it just keeps blooming. I mean, you just never know what you're going to find next. Good example, one of the diseases I've been most interested in is prostate cancer. And my work in prostate cancer goes back 35 years, but I've been floundering because we actually don't know anything about what causes prostate cancer. And not only that, it's a disease that's 3 times more common in African Americans than it is, or Africans, than it is in white or Japanese or Hawaiian or Latino populations. So it's been a struggle over all these years to see, could it come up with anything that predicts this disease other than age and race? Well, working in genetics the past 6 years, we eventually got to a point where we had the technology where we could look across the entire genome for markers of predisposition to prostate cancer. And this has been done by others, but not with the sophistication that we've been able to do it. Well, we found what looks like a predisposing gene. We found it almost a year ago. We've been working, it's actually an area, it's not the gene itself yet. We've been working on trying to find the actual gene, and another group a month ago published in Nature Genetics out of Iceland a finding of the same area. So we got one-upped, But the important thing is not we got one-upped. The important thing is 2 groups now independently have found, in using different material and different techniques, have found a signal in the same place for a disease that heretofore has no clear causation. And more than that, our signal, we think, explains virtually all of the excess disease in Africans. So this could be important for prostate cancer in general, and for particularly the excess risk in Africans. And that's what it's all about.